Okay, the rib stitch in which you are working a knit one and a purl one across. So I think a lot of knitters don't like this method, don't like to do the knit one, purl one. So that would be even a moss stitch or a double moss stitch, because it takes a lot of effort to switch back and forth between the knit and the purl. However, when I do my knits and purls, I find that there is actually not much effort that I need to, not much difference. It's a little bit different, I guess, but I find that I can do this fairly quickly. And I wonder if it's because of the way that I knit continentally. So I'm gonna show you how I do this, in that maybe it will help you. So the knit stitch. So what we do is our yarn is now behind our left needle, and we are going to grab that yarn as we will knit, and we'll pop it off. And as we're popping it off, our left index finger is going to push the yarn over top of the left needle, ready for a purl. We're gonna go underneath both of those. We're gonna grab, we're gonna slip it off, and then our yarn is gonna drop back behind the left needle, ready for a knit stitch. So let's do that again. So we're gonna do our knit stitch, remembering that this thumb is holding these stitches. This thumb is pushing these stitches in place to be knit or purled. Okay, and this right index finger is guiding my right needle. So we'll do our knit stitch, slip it through the stitch. We're gonna grab the yarn, pull it through, and as we're pulling it through, our left index finger is pushing the yarn over top of our left needle, ready for a purl. See, it's ready right there. So we put our right needle underneath both of those, the stitch and the yarn, and then we pull it up and we grab the yarn and pull it through, again placing the yarn behind the left needle, ready for the knit stitch. Do our knit stitch, placing the yarn in the front of the left needle, ready for our purl. And see, with this motion, it's quite easy to knit this knit one, purl one quite quickly. So give it a whirl and let me know what you think.